Yeah, so it's Thursday night. Going to Wales on Saturday to race the dyfi or dyfi. If someone knows how to pronounce that, is it dyfi or dyfi? I hear people say it both ways. Please tell me. I don't know which one it is. Anyway, I haven't been on the bike in like 2-3 weeks since the Easter race. I've been on the road bike a couple of times, but this has still got the dust on and stuff. So plan tonight to clean it, go over this. Then Friday night I'll pack the van so I can leave at like 6:30 in the morning Saturday and go have some fun. So get cleaning. Alright, I think I've packed pretty much most stuff. I'm going to get my list out and figure out what I forgot. I've oh, you can't see, it's probably too dark in there. Let's see if I can get the light on. I've just took out the single seat because the double one's fucking really heavy. It's like a 2-man job. So then I can just ram the airbed down the side and I'll take the front wheel off and put the bike somewhere over here. But yeah, should be fine to sleep in one night. Safe sticking a tent up and down. So just got to set the alarm for a nice, need to leave at 7, so need to be up at 6ish really. Sort of help sort the house out before we go. So should be fun. See you in the morning. Morning. Just setting off. 7 o'clock, I'm on time, but it was a bit hectic because Lottie and Josh woke up at like 6. They normally wake up like 7:15, but they woke up at 7:15. So trying to get them up, well, they want breakfast, and then trying to get ready. So I've just done a very quickly 10-minute shower, not done the hair. So then I'm going to see if Co-op's open, grab a croissant and banana and stuff. I've already eaten a bit, but get a bit more food. And then 2.5 hours, so I'll see you in Wales in a bit. Alright, I've got to practice one. I didn't video anything in the car park, so I was just trying to stay out the rain and get changed. Got Andy and Cal up there, Mark, Craig behind somewhere. So, obviously it's raining in Wales, lovely. Meant to stop about half an hour ago, but doubt it will. So, coat on, but now to Ox it's like 12 degrees. So, oh, hopefully one's fun anyway. I think we go past the van in a bit, so hopefully we can get rid of the coat if it's dried up. So see you on stage 1 anyway. Cheeky. Left. Roost. Got my fucking seat up still. It's fun following you so close, but I think it's fucking pointless because I never actually see and learn the track.
Yeah, there's not a lot to do there.
No, there isn't on this one. Oh, how do I always end up doing that? Oh, how do I always end up like pushing the front over those really... Like I'm going down this steep bit, I'm like fine, fine, fine. And then I go to turn and I just like plough straight on.
Yeah.
Where the fuck's Andy gone? Wait. Cal. Ah. I can't even see the red light anymore. There we go, we're on. Right, stage 2 done. How long was that? We did about an hour transition to stage 2. And then stage 2 was just a big fucking rut full of mud.
Hi Mum.
Hi Mum. So,
Hi Nana.
3, 4 and then back to the van. And hopefully get rid of this fucking coat because I'm roasting. Okay.
Form. Oh.
What are we saying here then? High. High. Well, I was going low.
Fucking hell.
Come on, get your coat out your frame.
Alright. Andy dropped his handbrake.
Oh, it's hell. I'm just going to join on down here. See at the bottom. Is there someone coming? Oh yeah. Yeah. Cheeky dab. Oh, tree. Fucker. Oh. Yeah. Oh. This is a proper enduro, not one of these one-day ones. We've been out 3 hours, not stopped really, just going to stage 4, and we've done 16 miles and 3,200 foot of climbing. Fucking roasting now. I've got base layer on the top, coat tied around my waist. So hopefully 4 we go back through the pits and we can get rid of some of this shit. We got everyone? Yeah. Yep. I'm tired, I can't even stay on a fucking straight bit of wood. Alright, stage 4 done, so we've just got the massive cruise back over to the, what's it called, village. Mark's laughing at me because I'm fucking talking at the camera like a douche. So, throw some cramp wave, Andy.
If your number, you're running all.
Right, just pushing up to 5. We stopped at the van, got rid of my coat, bum bag. 5 finishes straight back in the arena, so had a banana, fuck it. Right, so it's Monday night, back from Wales. I'm just cleaning the bike, which I bloody wish I'd done on Sunday before we left. And I completely failed on vlogging. I think I did a few bits on Sunday. I don't even think I remembered to record stage 5 on Sunday. And then I wanted to record some stuff in the evening because we spent a bit of time like cleaning bikes, having a barbecue and stuff, but I was having too much fun. I forgot where I put the GoPro, and I still can't find the GoPro. This is on my phone. I thought it was in my box of crap, but it's not in there. So it might be in the van somewhere, I don't know, I'll have to find it. But yeah, I'm going up to Tweedlove in like 3 weeks, so I will try and improve my recording skills, but I'll stick it all in the computer and see what I've got. But it was absolutely great fun. The stages were amazing. There was 5 stages. There was kind of 1 trail centre one, and then 4 were just loose, kind of not fresh cut. 2 were, but the other 2 were established but not trail centres. So it was sick. I was 28th in Masters out of about 60 odd I think. So as normal, exactly halfway up the table, which was good. But even better was I managed to beat Callum, Mark, Stuart. So Andy fucking absolutely smoked us. He was still a minute quicker than me, I think. So I've got no idea where he found that time. So still got to go quicker. But yeah, it was fun. Anyway, we'll see what the edit looks like. It might be a bit pants, but is what it is. See ya.